Is coding still relevant? Since AI is here, we can do everything with AI. We just have to type and chat with AI and we can develop apps, we can make different applications, we can make websites in blink of a second, right? मतलब करना ही क्या है, जाके अपना लैपटॉप खोलो, टाइप करो, explain it, and it is done for you, right? There are multiple sites like Replit, Lovable. There you can just go type and they will give you your website and apps, they are ready. Sites like Cursor and Bolt are also there, and then we have drag and drop sites as well, right? There you just have to drag and drop and you can make websites. But to say or to question that is coding still relevant, now just think about it. How did we make AI? Or who made AI in the first place? Humans made AI. People like you and me developed AI. What is AI? AI is artificial intelligence, something that just acts or imitate human intelligence, right? It did not come into existence out of its own. We humans developed it. Though it is efficient and it can do about a year's work in 1 week, and it will be this efficient. Yeah, this was released in one of the reports, right? I exactly do not remember the name of the report, but AI can do 1 year of work that human would do in just a week. But still, we humans are the one to develop it, and this is the most interesting thing. So to question coding's credibility is something very irrelevant, right? Because just think about it. If there will be any bug in AI, who will fix it? We humans fix it, right? There are multinational companies like Meta, Apple, Google. All of these companies have coders, programmers, developers. They manage these AIs. Companies like OpenAI, the companies who have got chatgpt into existence, who introduced AI to the world, they have multiple programmers. But the thing is that these programmers now do not have to focus on the tasks that can be done by AI. So the only thing that has got changed is that people now can focus their time onto the tasks that are more valuable, and just do not focus on the tasks that are less valuable or can be repeated or done by AI. तो अगर मुझे लग रहा है that there is I have to write numbers from 1 to 10, ठीक है? Before, what used to happen, we had to write it on our own, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? But now the same work can be done by AI. So the tasks that AI can do, we just assign AI with those tasks. But apart from that, we keep on focusing and developing onto the existing models. Now just think about it. When ChatGPT was introduced, their first model, right? It was not as good as ChatGPT 5. OpenAI has been developing. They have been improvising on those previous models. That is how we got these new products, right? So to say that coding is irrelevant, it is not. And yeah, just for your information, I have started to learn about AI and machine learning. I'm learning Python these days. It is said to be the easiest language, and it is also very useful. If you are somebody who is interested into AI or into machine learning, then you should definitely check out Python. It is a very helpful language and it will help you understand a lot of things. And on this channel, I will be also uploading a lot of content regarding Python. I will be teaching you multiple things about it. Whatever I learn, I will be sharing my learning experiences and the best resources from where you can find it. So if you are a student studying in your high school, or if you are a college first or second year student, then this is your time to get serious about it. Learn to code, because it is a skill that will help you develop your future. You can understand multiple things after learning to code. It opens a whole new perspective for you, a whole new world. Not only that, it will also help you in your coming future year. Do not ever think that coding is irrelevant, right? I will keep meeting you in the other videos just like this. This video is raw and I have not edited it. I will be posting it just like this because it was more of a conversational video. I just had a kind of normal conversation with you here, answering to a question, presenting my opinion about it. So yeah, that was it. With this, I'm signing off. Bye.